happy, fabulous Friday. Such a beautiful day, I think. I haven't left the house, but I'm excited that we are spending the day at home, and I have a lot of editing to do. Yeah, keeping up with this 100 days of vlogging challenge is definitely been interesting. We are in day 13 now, or 14, and yeah, so by making sure that I edit as soon as I'm done with the day or first thing in the morning, it's gonna be more of a mundane Friday, nothing special happening, but yeah, we're gonna see where the day goes. I'm already dressed for Pilates, which is in the afternoon at 1, but I just thought since I might have some errands to do, I'm just gonna be already dressed to kick into gear for my Pilates session. And yeah, I'm looking forward to enjoying this Friday and spending it with you. In the evening, that could have been us.
It might be.
Serenader.
I'm not kind of selfie with us. Hello, Mary Queen. This is your reminder that this is what healing your inner child looks like. Going to art classes and just being cutesy and look, pink.
Living out our childhood dreams by going to art courses here in Constantia and walking through the cutest little garden. So exciting, and it's such a wholesome experience to have, and I definitely 10 out of 10 recommend doing it as well, especially if you're trying to heal your inner creative child, which really you're trying to do, just like the artist way suggests. And yeah, it is hot. Yes, I'm in a jacket, but it was cold in the morning when we got here at 9. But now the sun is out, and I can now remove this and roam around in my cute pink dress. And yeah, we're gonna have some chicken livers soon.
The reason so many women like flowers is because flowers are the quintessential example of giving someone something for the sole purpose of showing them that you care about them. They don't do anything. They don't provide anything. They literally serve zero purpose except to say, I thought about you when you weren't there. These are pretty and I want you to have something pretty. It's a gift that's not about the gift. It's just about the giving.
A very wholesome Saturday. I definitely found this Saturday to be so therapeutic. Art is definitely therapy, and I'm definitely going to go to more courses with Hannah Van Zale, Van Hart Art on Instagram. So if you're ever in Cape Town, or you live in Cape Town, and you're looking for creative outlets, this is amazing. She has so many different watercolor courses, which I highly recommend. Somebody's driving their bougie car out of the street, but I found it so healing. One thing about being an adult is that you can literally heal your inner child, and I love it for us because you can literally do whatever you want with your money and nobody can tell you anything. You can buy all the SpongeBob stickers. You can buy a bubble machine, which I have. You can do so much, and it's so I can't explain how nice it is to just be not having to explain yourself to anybody as to why you want to go to a watercolor course or why you want to buy that Looney Tunes handbag and not hear you're an adult. You're 33, you should not be wanting a Looney Tunes bag, or you should not be having a teddy bear kind of a thing. It reminds me of the time once I had this teddy bear and my friend bought for me, and I literally was told straight up, you're 19, teddy bears are for children. Since when? Why are things always just limited to a certain age? Once you reach 18, you need to now stop having teddy bears, and you can't buy that SpongeBob notebook. You now need to be having black notebook, wearing black and simple attire. I want to be in color. I want to be color me pink. I want to be happy. I want to have dopamine rush when I see these nerdy little things at Typo. So definitely growing up is definitely about healing your inner child and buying the things that make you happy, buying things you always wanted. And age should not even limit you to be enjoying those things. I don't believe in this thing anymore of you're too old to be having Harry Potter posters in your house. You're too old to be having. I want that Harry Potter poster in my house. I want to look at it every day and feel a sense of happiness. I want to have that SpongeBob notebook that I pull out from my Looney Tunes handbag. And because it makes me happy, it excites me. I want to have funky, colorful nail art on my fingers instead of a simple French manicure, French tip, because this is what makes me happy. And I love that people are like, I love your nails. They literally are a reflection of my personality. And I'm like, yes, I want my personality to reflect. I don't want what society expects me to be or how I need to behave at my age to be reflecting. We only have one life. We're not cats. We don't have 9 lives. And even cats in real life don't have 9 lives. But we only have one life to live. And I want to live it to the fullest. I want to do things that make me happy, buy things that make me happy, live my dream that makes me happy. Because I don't know. Tomorrow is never promised, but death is definitely promised. So, yeah, but it was such a wholesome experience. And I'm looking forward to going on more artistic outlets around Cape Town with you guys. I'm going to be doing a lot of that now. I'm going to go back to reading The Artist's Way because I did fall off the wagon a bit. And I'm going to start again and be fully committed to The Artist's Way because I felt like that definitely opened my creativity and definitely made me see things in a different light and reminded me that it was okay to be where I am now and my journey, and now that I can heal my inner creative child, and stuff like that. Today I was sketching and it reminded me, wow, like I'm actually a good artist. I'm good at sketching. You know, I like the sketch I did. I could have just sketched it and left it like that. But the whole point was to challenge ourselves and do something different. And I do have watercolor paints in my house. So we're going to be using Skillshare from October to do more watercolor painting. And I have acrylics and I want to do an art piece for my cozy corner. And yeah, I'm super excited for that. And it's a beautiful, hot, sunny day. Summer is truly here. So let's romanticize our summer in Cape Town together.